We're back with a new T-Shirt Tuesday. We missed last week, unfortunately, but today we have an extra special guest and an extra special T-Shirt Tuesday because they're here in person with us.
Woo.
We've got Jason from
Car Guy Supplies.
Car Guy Supplies is an up-and-coming automotive detailing reseller and one of our distributors in the Midwest. And tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, Car Guy Supplies has been in the works for a few years now. We've always had this in the back of our minds, starting a supply company. It got going with Alan from AM Details. Working with him, he wanted to bring his products over to the US, and we were able to do that for him. And we started a whole company. We have everything from machines, polishes, Lake Country manufacturing pads, and right here in the Midwest, actually doing a special T-shirt giveaway too for you guys out there.
Nice.
Any purchase of $35 or more, we're gonna give you a free T-shirt. So that's ongoing right now. You can enter the code FREESHIRT35.
Awesome. So if it wasn't already a special T-Shirt Tuesday, it's even more special because they're doing their own T-shirt giveaway. So if you're looking for AM Detail supplies, or you're looking for some quick shipping or good supplies in the Midwest or Illinois area, definitely check out Car Guy Supplies. Thanks for coming, man.
Thanks for having me.